guys, good day. Today I'm going to demonstrate about the flooring, the vinyl flooring I'm installing in this room and the next room. And this floor called Smart Drop, it's from Fuzion and it's vinyl. Excellent floor. As you can see, there is a really nice seam, beautiful coming together. What's the difference between this here Smart Drop and then click or laminate? It's not engineering, it's a vinyl plank. These planks are squared, straight edges. They are not click application. So the only difference is here, we need to apply glue in two different methods, either around the perimeter or around the room and then just dropping and put them together, or you can also apply glue and spread it all around on entire surface on the floor. So because here it's really nice and smooth and clean surface of substrate underneath, that means I don't need to put glue everywhere, so I decided to go all just around perimeter. Now the VCT tile gives me very nice and good surface to work and install the plank of the Smart Drop vinyl Fuzion flooring. So as I mentioned here, I started with the longest wall, and the planks go usually, not usually, always along parallel with the long wall. So when I did perimetry, the coming inside, you can step on it here. Then I put it around the room. So when I started in the corner and continue to the next wall. All right, so like I said, the first was glued partially and then just dropped down on the floor. You can see the joint is almost invisible and it's really tight. Subfloor has to be dirt, dust free, and you have no problem. Even plywood is good, but it has to be smooth and has to be dirt free, dust free. I just tap it here on it, and later I can roll it with the roller. So next one, as I mentioned, no glue, no click, requiring just put to each other, push it together, and you are good. So the next one here, I'm going to measure what I need to cut, and that's going to be exactly 24 and 3/16. Going to use the new plank and cut it off 23 and 3/16, 24 and 3/16. All you need tools are square pencil, sharp pencil, and good knife. 24, 3/16 here. Got it over here. Now I didn't mention about the glue. It has to be pressure sensitive glue, and I bought it in a Home Depot. You can get it in Rona, in Home Depot. That's the Maypay brand, and it's quick drying. So for this reason, I need to be pretty quick. So then you don't have to walk on the floor for 12 hours, like I would say, according to instruction. But I was able to put the baseboard on this wall before I will continue. I just put 3 rows and then I reached not over here. I will do it now. I will do it later on. So cut it off. A few stroke, 3, 4, then bend it, crack, and cut it here. That's how I'm cutting this flooring. Okay, so like I said, right, next one, come to the, here you can see really nice and smooth joint, invisible joints, so no hassle with the clicks and anything else. Thank you for watching, and give me a like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.